Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are all doing awesome. In today's video, I'll show you how to perform skills in eFootball so you can trick defenders and create space with style. So let's get started with the video. First, you will need a player who actually has skill move. Not every player can do them. So check your squad list before trying to perform skills. Use the right joystick that is on your left side of the screen right here. This is your joystick, and if you double tap or simply use these passes or commands on the right side of the screen, you can perform skills with the right players. For more advanced tricks and combinations, combine the right stick with sprint or control dribbles. For example, flicking the stick forward while sprinting can create a quick knock-on past defender. Practice is the key, so head into training mode to get comfortable with different moves before using them in online matches. And that's it guys, mastering skills makes your dribble unpredictable and super fun. If this video helped you out, smash that like button, subscribe for more eFootball guide, and comment your favorite skill below. And thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.